Okay, here's the LG V30 and let's see how to invert the colors. Currently only the text is black and everything else is mostly white. Okay, and if you invert the colors, then the light will not be that bright and it might not hurt your eyes. Okay, so to invert the colors, swipe down from the top, that's once, then swipe down again to expand it and look in this list for color inversion. If it's not there, then you can go to the left or to the right also, and it is not here, color inversion. Okay, to add it, go here to the edit button so that we can add it to the list. Edit, and color inversion is here, so just drag that one and drop it, let's say there. Color inversion. So it's color inversion. Okay, now let's accept it using this button. Accept it, and color inversion is there. Tap on it. Now everything is reversed. Now the entire screen is black and only the text is white. Of course, red becomes green, orange becomes, I don't know, blue or something like that, but mostly black becomes white and white becomes black. Okay, and to disable it, just tap on color inversion once again, and now the colors were reversed. And that's it.